We don't just say that Pink and Blue Paradise Play School is the best play school in Nasik. It's these positive reviews and experiences that prove it all. Meet our lovely parent who shared her and her child's personal experience and was all smiles.
When we talk about Fravashi, we also wanted to experience the quality which we hear from parents, which we hear from friends, and also we wanted to delve into that depth, that understanding why. So we chose Fravashi for that, and the assurances and the promises that were made at the time of inquiry and at the time of admission process, right by Prajakta ma'am, seeing to it that getting genuinely fulfilled is now I can confidently say that good and glad that we choose Pink and Blue Paradise for my child for the entire journey, like the start of the journey for my child. I was not looking for something that he would learn or something like that. I was just expecting him to settle down and understand the process of school. So for me, trusting a school and giving my child away to someone was a biggest decision for us. What mattered was that his comfort, that he's being loved, and all his happiness. And this is exactly what we have found here. So yeah, we loved the overall 3 months which have been, the journey has been amazing. Pink and Blue taking care of the Jain food according to the requirements without any compromise in providing the nutritious meals is what we really loved about. Now when he comes home and he says that, Mama, give me this food, give me that food, I am very much amazed, and he has also started to eat on his own, which is again a surprising thing for us. He will be like, no mama, you don't feed me, I'll eat it on my own. The table manners, he'll go and wash his hands. So few minute things, but I am loving, the changes are very good in a good way. And also that previously there was a phase where he would not listen to us. He would just deny, or he would just do the opposite of what we said. Now he will listen. He has learned to say words like please, sorry, which is again a very good thing as a parent. So I guess it's an achievement for the teachers and the parent as well. Overall, if I talk about teachers and the other staff and Maushis and everyone, I can say when Prihan enters the school with a big smile and coming out with bigger stories is an achievement for the parents, the teachers, and everybody out here. So yeah, we just loved everything about Pink and Blue, and it's a heads up to all the parents out there, if you're hunting for preschool, especially play school, this is the right place.